Hello viewers and welcome to our show called Credit Talk. Our special guest today is Dr. Credit, and she is from badcreditmd.com, and she will help us to understand how people can get an unsecured personal loan with bad credit. Why don't you say hello to our audience, Dr. Credit?
Hello.
Dr. Credit, is it possible for a person with bad credit to obtain an unsecured personal loan?
Let me first start by saying that unsecured loans are some of the most difficult loans to get regardless of your credit history. People with good credit obviously have a better chance to get approved for these loans, but there are some people with bad credit that can still get approved. It takes a little more patience and diligence to get approved for one of these loans if you have less than stellar credit, but it is possible. Unsecured loans are a little more difficult to get compared to a secured loan because there is no collateral used to obtain a loan. The loan is basically just an agreement between the two parties. An unsecured loan will likely come with a higher interest rate as well. This is primarily because there is no collateral, and the lender has no guarantee that the loan will be repaid. An unsecured loan is basically a friendly agreement with a written contract.
What is the best way to obtain an unsecured personal loan?
The best way to get an unsecured loan with bad credit is by beginning to make all of your payments on time. No matter what, your credit score and rating will continue to suffer as long as you are behind on your payments. Remember that these loans are like a friendly agreement, and few friends would offer you a large sum of money if you did not demonstrate the ability to repay them. Once you start making your payments on time, you will be helping your chances to get approved for a loan.
Where should I start to look for an unsecured loan with bad credit?
If you desperately need the money right now, there are some avenues that you can look into. Many different online lenders will be able to help you out. Many of the lenders offer at least $500 to practically anyone. You may be able to get more money from certain lenders. In most cases, the maximum amount of money that anyone can obtain is $3,000. These amounts will vary based upon your ability to prove that you have income coming into your checking account that can be used to pay the monthly payments according to the agreement. Many of these online lenders will charge a rather handsome fee for the processing of the loan, and the interest rates are usually pretty high. If you are going to apply for one of these loans, you need to be aware of all of the fees. You simply need to be careful. The lenders have to provide you with all of the information, rates and terms of the agreement, so you need to make sure that you read everything. If you cannot get the money that you need from one lender, you could simply try another. Some people with bad credit that need extra money will get loans from several different online lenders. This is a strategy to use, but you must be thorough in your quest to avoid paying way more than you bargained for. It is always a good decision to try and pay off the unsecured loan as soon as possible to restore a more positive cash flow to your current situation.
What information do these online lenders need to start an application for an unsecured loan?
Online loan specialists typically need to know 3 basic things about the customer. The first of these is proof that the person is at least 18 years old or older. The second prerequisite is that the customer has some proof of income. The final regulation is that the customer has a working checking account. This is extremely important because this is the location that the money will be wired to when the loan is approved.
Are there any other lenders I could try, besides the ones online, for a bad credit unsecured loan?
Besides going online to get an unsecured loan, you may also want to check with your local credit union. Most credit unions offer better rates and a better opportunity to get a loan than a traditional bank. Credit unions also offer an easy way to become a member. A large number of these institutions have basic regulations, and some actually allow members from anywhere in the country. Some other people are looking to private lenders for loans as well. Some of these private lenders have the best rates around. These types of loans are great for anyone that needs money, not just people with bad credit. The private lenders will make some money, and you will get the money that you need. It is a win-win situation for the lender and the customer.
Is there any advice you can give us before signing for a bad credit unsecured loan?
There are a wide variety of ways to obtain an unsecured personal loan with bad credit. Online lenders, traditional banks, credit unions and private lenders are just a few of the possible solutions. Remember to read the fine print carefully before you sign on the dotted lines. And always make certain that you have done a thorough background check on the lender that you are not fully knowledgeable of. The last thing that you want to do is try to get an unsecured loan and actually have a financial issue occur. Improve your credit by making payments as scheduled, and you will be able to obtain that unsecured loan that you need.
Dr. Credit, we would like to thank you for being on our show today, along with thanking our sponsor badcreditmd.com.
I was glad to be here today.
And folks, if you need any help with any credit problems, Bad Credit MD is a great resource to get answers. See you on our next show.